we are again at another cemetery, the Lee Summit Historical Cemetery in Lee Summit, Missouri. Part of the Younger James gang here. This is going to be very fast. It's pouring down the rain. Here's Cole Younger's grave. Died in 1916. Here's James Younger. Right here we have Robert Younger, and we have their mother, Bersheba Fistro Younger, maybe? Not quite sure the names, the pronunciation on that. But they were part of the James Young gang, robbing banks. And here they are, laid to rest. We figured while we were here, let's come see this, because I don't know if we'll ever be back in this area or not. This was a haul. People paid their respects differently. Some by putting money, some by putting Confederate flags, some by even putting flowers. But here's Captain Cole Younger. This will conclude this video, and part of the Younger gang.